If you want to be an AI and automation consultant, you're in the right place. Let's start. 1. Understanding the landscape. AI and automation are redefining industries across the globe. These transformative technologies are the driving force behind smarter supply chains, more efficient customer service, and revolutionary innovations. The potential in this field is immense, offering endless opportunities for those who choose to embrace it. Whether you're passionate about healthcare, finance, or any other industry, AI and automation can be applied in countless ways, making this career path promising and adaptable to your interests. 2. Building the right foundation. The foundation of a successful career in AI and automation begins with education. Pursue a solid educational background in computer science, machine learning, or related disciplines. This robust knowledge base serves as your launching pad. It equips you with the fundamental principles and understanding of these technologies, allowing you to delve deeper into specific applications and challenges. Investing in this foundational education is an investment in your future, providing the expertise you need to tackle complex problems and drive innovation in the field. 3. Gaining practical experience. Education sets the stage, but practical experience is the spotlight. Work on real AI and automation projects, whether through internships, personal initiatives, or collaborations. This hands-on experience sharpens your skills and bridges the gap between theory and real-world application. It's where you encounter the nuances and challenges that textbooks can't capture. Embracing practical work allows you to see the immediate impact of AI and automation in various industries, from optimizing manufacturing processes to enhancing medical diagnoses. These experiences build your confidence and competence, making you a valuable asset in the field. 4. Building a diverse skill set. AI and automation are multifaceted fields that extend beyond technical expertise. While proficiency in coding, data analysis, and machine learning is fundamental, successful consultants also possess soft skills. Problem solving, adaptability, and effective communication are equally vital. Consider this. AI consultants often find themselves translating complex technical concepts into plain language for non-technical stakeholders. The ability to bridge this gap is a testament to the importance of a diverse skill set. Well-rounded professionals thrive, as they can navigate not only the technical challenges but also the human aspects of AI and automation projects. 5. Networking and collaboration. Networking and collaboration are your pillars to success. Connecting with industry experts, attending conferences, and participating in AI and automation communities is not just about expanding your social circle. It's about opening doors to exciting opportunities. Consider this example. In the world of AI, innovation often happens through collaborative efforts. When you're part of a vibrant network, you're more likely to discover like-minded professionals with complementary skills and visions. These collaborations can lead to groundbreaking projects that not only enrich your portfolio but also propel you into the spotlight as a valuable consultant in the field. 6. Stay informed and innovate. AI and automation are dynamic domains. To stay relevant, continuous learning is paramount. Stay updated on the latest research, trends, and tools. Consider setting aside time each day to read AI research papers, experiment with new tools, or explore the possibilities of emerging technologies. By investing in ongoing education, you not only remain at the forefront of industry advancements but also unlock your potential as an innovator. Your ability to adapt and innovate is what sets you apart in a field that thrives on change and evolution. 7. Building a portfolio. A strong portfolio showcasing your AI and automation work is your passport to success. Whether it's AI-driven chatbots streamlining customer interactions, automation solutions optimizing financial processes, or predictive maintenance systems reducing downtime in manufacturing, a diverse portfolio is your canvas to demonstrate your versatility and expertise. The more projects you undertake, the broader your experience becomes. Each project becomes a unique chapter in your story as a consultant, showcasing your ability to tackle challenges, offer solutions, and make a real impact in different industries. Your portfolio tells the story of your journey, illustrating your growth as a consultant. 8. Marketing yourself. Effective self-marketing is a cornerstone of your consultancy journey. Create a professional online presence through a well-crafted website and active engagement on social media platforms. Sharing valuable content, whether it's AI insights, case studies, or informative articles, positions you as a thought leader in the field. Your online presence becomes your identity, attracting potential clients and partners. Consider this. Clients often seek consultants who not only have expertise but also actively contribute to the industry's knowledge pool. By establishing yourself as a trusted expert, you not only market your skills but also build trust and credibility. Understanding the industry's landscape, building a solid foundation, gaining practical experience, developing a diverse skill set, networking, staying informed, creating a portfolio, and effective self-marketing are the crucial pieces of the puzzle. If this journey excites you, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more career insights and tips to fuel your AI and automation consulting journey. Keep learning, stay innovative, and I'll see you in our next video.